we got a 7-minute delay in this train. Which is fine, I'm not getting 1018 anymore. I'm getting the 1041 now, so no pressure. Also, something funny about the announcement said this train will call at Charing Cross parting instead of Barnhill. So that's weird. So like, wait, what? Oh, maybe someone's trying to get on. Or is this train? The service hasn't just stopped, has it? Oh yeah, no, okay, it's stopped. Yeah, someone's trying to get on probably. But yeah, so it said next stop is Charing Cross for some reason, but then the driver made an announcement saying next stop is Barnhill, and I was just like, what service skips every station between here and Charing Cross? But yeah, it would have been fine anyway, because it gets to Charing Cross at 10:10, and my train isn't until 10:40, so it would have been fine anyway. Another two stations that are very close together. Also, you could tell British just ended because this train is very quiet. There's only like 2 people in this entire carriage. Goes 31826 It's one of those 318s out the 320 door opening zones for some reason. Yeah, there it goes. Alright, here's my train to Stirling. 43134, and no idea what's in the front. First class for there, don't want that. Yeah, I'm here. Alright. This one's different. Alright, so originally I was gonna get this train, and I actually did. I actually got one of these from Bishop Briggs at 8 in the morning. However, it was really busy, so I couldn't really film much of it. So what we're doing now is we're ticking it off with this journey instead up to Stirling. I may have gone on too early. So I just found out that the 1222 to Oban, which as the trail is meant to be getting to Dalmuir, doesn't actually stop at Dalmuir. So I'm going to get to Dumbarton Central and then get a train from there to Dalmuir and go from there to Central. Yeah. Right. Over here at Stirling. Is this what I think it is? Oh boy. We got it. 170,407. Look at, I finally got the promotional 170. 170,407. Yo.
The next stop is Glasgow Queen Street.